So all of these things that you manifested, you decide that you have to let them go. Why?
Because I don't want them anymore. I don't want them.
Even though they represent the evolution of knowing what you don't want, knowing what you do want, finding a vibrational alignment with it, ideas coming and manifestations happening, then they no longer apply because they don't represent the success of creation?
No, they represent who I am today, and I'm very proud of them. But I don't want, let's say, to put it more, I don't want to go back to that life. I want a new life. So I don't have any attachment to any of those things that I manifested before. I'm very proud of them. I love them, made them who I am, but I'm not attached to them anymore.
Would you have to carry them all with you everywhere you go?
Yeah, I call myself version 4.0, Carlos. To come to 4.0, you have to go to 1, 2, 3, 4. So I will not change anything. I love everything I manifested.
But what we're getting at, even in the wanting to let all of that go, there's a sort of pushing against it. And it is not in harmony with your intention when you came into this physical body. You said, I'm going into a physical place. We're not saying that everything that you've ever created you have to drag around with you forevermore. That's not the point. But it's quite a different thing to say, I'm letting go of everything like it's an attachment when your inner being sees it as a creation that could buoy you, that validates how the universe works, that is about the law of attraction, and it's about you finding vibrational alignment with it. So is what you're conveying to us and what you're conveying to the people, we're really asking this, the people that you're helping, is that don't feel bad that you don't have anything, because having things is not the answer. What you want to do is spiritual stuff, and I'm going to demonstrate how spirituality is so much more important than...
No, I failed to communicate. I didn't mean that.
We're listening.
Yeah, I failed to communicate. When I meant
talk slowly.
Yeah. When I meant if you are touched of having winning the lottery, having $1 billion, we all humans.
Is that what you're letting go of? Did you win it?
Yeah, no, wanted to have money. No, but money is beautiful.
And so you're letting go of wanting to have money?
Yeah, it's not necessary for me now, but I don't judge it.
But we want to help you find the distinction of you're wanting to let go of a desire.
Yeah, the attachment. I want money, yes, but now the attachment to it. That's what I'm failing to communicate. The attachment.
You see, we're talking about the same thing, but you're going about it in such a hard way. We're asking you to go to the vortex where there is no money, where there's love and clarity and certainty and security and soundness and well-being and home. And so we're talking about the same thing, but you're talking about it in a way that won't work, because you're saying, I'm letting go of all of that I'm not letting go of. I'm letting go of all of that I'm not letting go of. I'm letting go of all of that I'm not letting go of. Because when you're focused upon it, you're not letting go of it. You're talking about it. It's in your vibration, and that's why you're feeling this. You certainly can talk about that, but don't talk about that in opposition to that, like I never should have done that, like that was a mistake. Everything that you now are came as a result of everything that you've lived before. So it's all been of value. It's all been of value. Just like those that you're wanting to help and uplift are living what's of value to them. Can you feel the difference?
Yeah.
Can you feel the difference?